Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. In my today's video, I'll be sharing a very healthy salad recipe using quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain which is rich source of high quality proteins, fibers, vitamins and minerals. So if you are following a weight loss diet or want to eat a healthy, wholesome meal, then you can certainly include quinoa in your diet. So let's check out how to make this incredibly healthy salad recipe using quinoa. Before moving further, I would request all of you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you are new to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates of our new recipes. Here I am using New Herbs raw unroasted white quinoa. This is 100% natural. It comes with this Ziploc bag, making it very convenient to store the leftover quantity. I've ordered this one from Amazon. If you want to buy this, then I've shared the Best Buy link in the description box below. I'll be using 1 cup quinoa to make our salad. Balance quantity, you can store it in this Ziploc bag itself. Firstly, we need to wash the quinoa. This is the most important step. To wash the quinoa by rubbing it nicely with your palms. Quinoa has a natural coating called saponin which makes cooked quinoa taste little bitter or soapy. Rinsing well before cooking reduces the saponin. After rubbing it well, now we'll wash the quinoa in running water. We need to wash it at least 2 to 3 times. Drain the excess water using a sieve. Washing the quinoa well, drain the excess water and then soak the quinoa in fresh water for at least 30 minutes. Post soaking, we need to cook quinoa. Actually, it is cooked just like rice. We need to cook quinoa on low flame at least for 10 to 15 minutes depending upon the quality of quinoa you are using. Once the quinoa becomes fluffy like this, then you can switch off the flame and cover the pan with a lid for at least 5 to 7 minutes. And our quinoa is ready to use. You can drain out the excess water from it using a sieve. One can store the quinoa in refrigerator and use it when required. We'll be using urad dal. I have taken half a cup of urad dal and you need to soak it for 30 minutes. Post that, we need to cook the dal. For cooking dal, we'll heat excess water in a pan. Into this, we'll add few spices like bay leaf, 1 piece of black cardamom, 1 piece of green cardamom, 1 small piece of cinnamon. We need to boil these spices with water for 1 to 2 minutes. We are basically doing this so that dal gets the flavor of all these spices. However, this is completely an optional step. You can cook the dal directly in an open pan. Now we'll add dal in this spiced water. We need to cook the dal till it is firm and holds shape. It should not turn mushy at all, so be very careful while cooking this urad dal. Also add half a teaspoon of salt. Once the dal is cooked, then we need to drain out the excess water and shed off the water as much as possible. Remove the spices from it. And then one needs to spread the dal on a cloth or a kitchen towel like this so that it becomes little dry. You can also dry roast the dal in a pan for few minutes on a medium flame if you wish. Next, we'll saute all the vegetables. So heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a pan. Into this, we'll saute all the vegetables. Here I have carrot, capsicum, broccoli, onions, and we'll saute all these vegetables just for 1 to 2 minutes to maintain its crunchiness. Remove the veggies from the pan and keep it aside. All our preparations are done. It's time to assemble our salad. In a bowl, we'll add our cooked urad dal. Adding dal will make our salad even more full and satisfying. Instead of dal, you can even use boiled chickpeas, which are white chanas or even rajma. Then goes our cooked quinoa, which is the main ingredient of our recipe. Quinoa really adds boost to your everyday nutrition and gives a healthy start to your day. Then goes all our veggies. To add to the crunch, we'll be adding few pumpkin seeds and also few sunflower seeds and few berries as well. You can add almonds, pistachio, walnuts, any nuts of your choice. Also, we'll add few chopped tomatoes. Veggies are completely up to you. Whatever your liking is, you can add veggies as per your choice. Finally, we'll add little salt and pepper. Now it's time to toss our salad. When you mix quinoa with these colorful veggies, crunchy seeds and nuts, then it enhances the richness and freshness of this healthy quinoa salad. So feel free to load your salad with all these ingredients. Just look at this beautiful, colorful salad. This is so healthy and so nutritious. Our salad is ready to serve. You can have this salad for breakfast, for lunch, for in between meals. Basically, you can have it anytime during the day. You will feel so full once you have this salad. And this is the reason why the salad is helpful in weight loss, because the combination of fibers and proteins in quinoa and dal keeps you full for longer period of time and you feel satisfied whole day. I'm sure you'll really like the taste of this healthy quinoa salad. To add to the freshness, I will add few mint leaves in it. Here is our super healthy, very nutritious, satisfying quinoa salad ready to serve. This salad tastes incredible, guys, and I'm sure this will become your new favorite salad. So do try out the recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please hit the like button, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.